For billions of years, the moon has been our only constant in the dark, a silent guardian, shaping our tides, lighting our nights. But space is vast, and our neighbor, surprisingly small. What if it was suddenly replaced by something far more massive? First, imagine Mars, twice the size of our moon. The sky would glow with a faint, rusted red hue. At this distance, its massive canyons and ancient dust storms would be visible to the naked eye. A desert world looming over us. Now, Neptune, a massive blue marble, 14 times larger than the moon. It would dominate the night, reflecting a cold sapphire light, a silent, frozen giant hanging over us. Finally, Jupiter, the king, 1,000 times larger than Earth. If it replaced our moon, it would become the sky itself. At this scale, our entire world is nothing more than a tiny speck orbiting a god.